up guys, this is Luni here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair for an event or a special occasion or to a party. I rarely ever curl my hair. I always either leave it straight or do it half up or half down. I'm way too lazy to curl my hair. And on another note, I don't want to damage it as much because I straighten it way too much. I like how my hair looks when it's curled, but I guess because I'm so used to having my hair straight, I'd rather just leave it like this. One that I'm going to be using is the LMAO. I'm not sure. By the way, this is not a sponsored video or anything. I had this curling wand for years already, and it still works to this day. I'm still in love with it. So first thing first, always brush out your hair. Then of course I'm using some setting spray, some heat protecting spray. I'm gonna be using some heat protecting spray all around my hair so it won't damage it. I'm using the Tresemme heat tamer, and I get mostly on my ends as well because I get a lot of dead ends there. Usually what I do, since I have thin hair, I would section it off in half. I would take about this much of hair before I curl it, and then I would have the barrel behind my head and just wrap it around, curling it outwards, and then leaving it on for about a good 6 to 10 seconds. And then after that, I would drop it down onto the palm of my hands, hold it for like 5 seconds, and then just drop it down. And here it is. And then I would put it back. Doing the same thing, putting the barrel behind my hair and then just wrapping it around and then leaving it for 6 to 10 seconds. I will usually keep the heat on 370. To me, this is the best temperature to put on my hair. And these are all the curls. Looking nice, looking cute. Loving it. Curling it outward, and then I'm going to be doing this all over my head. And then I'm going to continue and speed up the video. By the way, I don't like to put the barrel too close to my head. Just because I don't want to burn my scalp or anything like that, but it's just I like how it looks as well when it's not too close to the scalp. Leave this much off. I'm done with the bottom portion, and this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like for the bottom portion. See, the good thing about thin hair for me, it takes less time. So I don't have to be taking like a good 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure this is going to take me like a good 10 to 15 minutes. So that's good. I will clip off the finished curls, and then so it won't get mixed up. And then I'll move on to the top. Always remember to put on a glove. I kind of lost it a while back. I have no idea what happened to it, but I mean, I guess I'm so already used to it without using the glove. Just to be safety and cautious, always wear a glove. Okay, so I got the bangs left. Usually what I do for my bangs, I would do the same thing, just curling it outwards. And then also not leaving it on the barrel for too long, for about like 3 seconds. Like that. Wait for about 5 minutes or so for my hair to cool down. Now that my hair has cooled down, I'm going to flip over my head and try to mess it around just a little bit. And just run through my fingers, just trying to get it loose. The finished result. Then next, I'm gonna take some hairspray and just spray it. And spray all over. I love this scent. This is a Pantene hairspray. I love the smell. It smells so like clean-ish, but also smells like perfume in a way. But this is great. I have on clean hair. Well, I washed my hair last night, so it's basically kind of clean. And this would work so good if you have like, if you haven't washed your hair for like 2 days or about 3 days, and it would look so good on your hair. Your hair would seem like it would have volume, and then the curls would stick on longer and it would last longer. If you haven't washed your hair for about like a day or 2 and your hair and your scalp is oily, definitely recommend this dry shampoo or any type of dry shampoo, and then it would add a lot of volume and you won't see no oils on your scalp or anything like that, and your hair won't be flat, so it leaves you volume. But I'm gonna just spray just a little bit. This is what my hair looks like. If you want to add extra volume, section off your hair at the top, spray some hairspray and use a teasing comb, and then just try to fix it up and smooth it out, and then you'll have a lot of volume. Guys, this is a simple hair curl tutorial. It'll take about a good 10 and 15 minutes. And if you're looking for a hair curler, I will try to find the website online, and I will link it down in the description box below. This comes with 6 barrels, so that is great. I think I got like, I think it was like 160 the last time I bought it, but this was like a good 3-4 years ago. It still works like a charm. It is still my baby. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys soon.